First move is 1, 2, 1. So then only 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Then this 1, 2, 2 đi đẹp ăn kế. 1, 2, 2. So it looks something like 1, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 to the side. Nice. 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then your hands take you 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Lockies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, flow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, low. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, low. Then you want to reverse it. 1, 2, tap. You see the way when you're doing this, tap. You are just putting this to the side, okay? Step, 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 step. You want your legs to be a little bit closer. Yes. So step, 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 step. 5, 6, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, step and step. Step and step. You want to use your this is going up, but this you use your hip to turn. So 1. The movements here, that's the movements. Just the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. This tap moves you tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. This 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is still, this doesn't move in the legs. Move side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. Yes, we're getting that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alan, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's okay. That's easy, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. For those who can do the actual move, you should try, okay? Sorry. Yeah, this.
If we bend a little, it's easier.
Yes, with all these moves, you have to be in this the move. So, yeah, you can bend a little bit. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is continuous. There's no, when you go, there's no stopping. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So around me, what I do? 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's no stopping. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here. Everything is there, and you can get started today. See you in class.